welcome to this another awesome video of TechyStatus. I'm Matthew. Let's call the intro. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert the Amazon Echo Dot or Alexa into a portable Bluetooth speaker. Sounds good, right? Let's see. Come on. For this purpose, we should need a Alexa and a smartphone. And the smartphone I am using is the Honor 6X. The first thing that we want to do is to connect the Echo Dot with our smartphone. For that, let's turn on the Bluetooth on our smartphone and wait till it connects with the Echo Dot.
Now connected to BDPHL.
Yeah. Now the smartphone is connected with the Echo Dot. So let's play music, right? So now let's control our music player with Alexa. Alexa, play.
Playing Bluetooth.
Stop. So now you have a doubt how to use this as a portable device because Alexa needs power. Very simple. Just connect your Alexa with a power bank. If you feel this video is informative, please like my video, share this video to your friends and relatives, comment your opinions and suggestions, and also subscribe my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page. See you in the next video. Until this is Matthew. Bye.